Good morning children, hope you are all are doing good. Okay, so this class I am going to continue that lesson number 3, that is force, work and energy. So before moving into a topic, just I want to discuss whatever I have done in the last class. I want to give a small recap. I have explained what is meant by force, okay, and the force definition to pull or a push object, okay, and whenever we will be applying a force, what will be happen for object. So that it is for a 5 types. One is it can move from a stationary place, and second one we can stop the moving object, and third one we can change the direction of an object, and the fourth one we can able to increase the speed of moving object, and due to the force we can able to change size and shape of a object. Okay, and also we have discussed about kinds of force, that is mechanical force, which are the force we are using the tools. It is called as a mechanical force, and muscular force means we are using our muscle force, our arms to do certain work. It is called as a muscular force. And magnetic force, this iron things it will get attracted over towards the magnet due to magnetic force. And fourth one is the elastic force that I have shown, the catapult. How much will stretch that rubber, that means speed that object will move, so it will come under the elastic force. Third one is the gravitational force. Whatever the things we are dropping from down, okay, whatever the things we are throwing or we are dropping, finally it will go and reach to the earth ground surface, so because of gravitational force. Okay, so this class I am going to explain about what is meant by work and a simple machine, how it makes our work very easy. Okay, also I am going to explain about energy. Okay, the work. In science, the meaning of work is different from everyday use of this word. Okay, in science, work is said to be done only when the forces move a body to a distance. What is mean by work, children? So work we can't give any proper definition. Okay, once if we have done that work, okay, the work definition will get changed every day. Okay, we don't know what work we are going to do, but we have certain work. Once that work is done, then only we can able to say what work we have done. Okay, also the work is done due to apply of some forces. Okay, if I want to take a chair, I want to keep in a different place. Okay, I want to giving my force energy towards the chair to lift that. Again the same chair I am going and keeping in a next place. Okay, I am using certain energy, some forces to move the object from one place to another place. So that is called as a work. Okay, so here you can able to see Rohan is pushing a box. He is giving a more muscle force, okay, to push the box. So it is called as a work. And Karan is pushing a wall. Okay, so here also he is applying certain forces to get work done. Okay, whenever you are writing, okay, so that also is kind of work. Okay, and next, look at the picture given above. Rohan is pushing a big box. Okay, he has able to move the box from short distance. Whenever he is giving a more pressure towards the box and he is pushing that, it can move. Okay, then this case of work said to be done. So this kind of work it will done. Whatever the heavy box is there, okay, if you want to move one place to another place, okay, this work it may done. Okay, so here look at the second picture. The current is pushing the wall. It won't move. Okay, the wall has no matter and no art. He pushes. In this case, no work is done. Okay, so this is a big wall, children. Okay, so we can able to push a wall from one place to another place. So it is not possible to push. So this work it won't happen. If you want to move one big box into a different place, then this work it may done. Okay, so when they want to push the wall from one place to another place, it won't move. Okay, so that means this work is not done. I am repeating once again, the work we can't give any proper definition. Every day the definition is going to change because we are having a different type of work. Okay, so once the object will move from one place to another place, so then my work is done. Okay, for example, I have given the chair I am taking and I am keeping in another place. For example, book I am taking from one place and I am keeping to another place. Okay, now my work is done. Okay, so there also they are given two objects. The first person, he was trying to move a heavy box from one place to another place. When he will apply more force, towards this box it will move for a short distance. So this it is called as work is done. Okay, one more person, he want to try to push a wall from one place to another place. Is the wall does not move at all. So that means here work is not done. Okay, so this is a work. And next, using simple machines, how we can make our work very easy. The simple machines are device which makes our work easier. Simple machines are grouped as a lever, wheel, axle, inclined planes, pulley, wedge, and screw. Okay, so these are the simple machines. They are given an example. The first one is a lever. So using that we can able to lift the very heavy object. Here you can able to see the first image, children. This person using a long rod. Okay, he want to insert the long rod in between a heavy things. Then he can able to lift the heavy things. It can able to move from one place to another place using a long rod. So it is called as a lever. Okay, it is called as a lever. And second one is the pulleys. A pulley used to grow well under rope, raise, lower and move a weight. So whenever you want to take a water from the well, what will do? Will be having a wheel like this. Okay, inside the wheel the rope it is tied. Okay, inside the wheel the rope is tied. Okay, one rope it will be on this rope it will be on a well with a bucket of water. Okay, so this is a well, and here we can able to whenever you are pulling this rope, no. So what will happen? So it will take the water and this bucket come up. Okay, this is called as a pulleys. Using the wheel and the thread, you can take the water from the well. Okay, and second one, wheel and axle. Okay, so whenever they will put road and tar road they used to put, no, so that time you can able to see this kind of vehicle. Okay, they will be taking, they will be bringing all the materials towards this two wheels. Okay, the second one. An axle is a rod attached to the wheels. Okay, it helps to move heavy object from one place to another place. So this maybe people have seen this kind of they will be every day from the corporation. They will come and collect the garbage. They won't come in auto. The small like this wheel kind will be there. Okay, small kind of vehicle it will be there. Using that they will be. See, this is that garbage thing. Okay, so here they will be dumping. So down it will be having a wheels. Okay, so here they will be having a certain rod. Okay, it will be help to push one place to another place. It will be help to carry a very heavy loads. Okay, and next third one is a inclined plane. So what is mean by inclined plane? It is a slanting force which helps to connect lower level to with higher level. See, whenever the big truck and all will be there, no? Okay, so that truck they want to make them to climb on the lorry. Okay, so what they will do that time? Okay, so they will be keeping a slanting things. Okay, at one end they will be keeping a very heavy object. Later on they will lift that, or else they will be keep on pushing till it should go inside the container. Okay, so this is called as an inclined plane. So they will be keeping some wooden pieces. It should cover higher level to lower level. So this is a truck. Okay, in the truck I want to make it the heavy box. It has to go inside. Okay, how it will go inside? I need to keep one wooden plate like this. So here I want to keep keep my heavy object. Okay, whatever the box or courier contain small things, whatever it is, then I want to keep on pushing this, then it will be going for a higher level. Okay, from the lower level, I want to give a pressure towards this box, then this box will be going and reaching to the higher level, then they will drag and they will keep it inside. Okay, so this is called as a inclined plane. And next one, screwers. The screwer is a inclined plane wrapped around the cylinder that is sharp pointed, and everybody has seen the screwer, right? How it will be? So it will be helpful to join the two objects. Okay, the screwer it will be like this. So it will be having a sharp edge. Okay, here it will be having like this. So when they will be giving a pressure on the top of the object, automatically it will go inside the wooden pieces. Okay, so it is called as a screwers. And next one, wedge. So wedge is an one or more slanting surface ending in a sharp edge. Whenever you want to cut a tree, okay, with the help of wedges we can able to cut the tree, then it will break it into two smaller pieces like this. Okay, the sharp object they are using to cut the object into too many small pieces. Okay, so this all it is coming under a simple machines. I am going to repeat once again. Using this simple machines we can make our work very easy. The first one, that is a lever. So we can able to, using the rod we can able to lift the heavy object from one place to another place. And second one is a pulleys. Using wheel and rod, okay, we can able to push or pull the things. The thing should be having a certain weight. So for example, whenever you want to take water from the well, okay, first we want to leave the rope. Then once the water is filled in the bucket, then we have to pull that. We have to pull the rope, then the water it will come up. Okay, and using wheel and axle, okay, we can able to carry a very heavy loads using a rod. Next one, this inclined plane. So whatever the heavy object from lower level to higher level, if you want to shift over there, from the lower level using the wooden piece, we have to keep on giving a force until unless it should go and reach to a higher level. Okay, and next one, screwers. The screwers will be having a very sharp edges. Okay, so using that we can able to join two wooden pieces. Okay, next is wedges. Using very sharp object we can using the very sharp things we can able to cut the object into too many pieces. So it will be coming under a simple machine. Okay, some machine increases speed of work, okay, while others change the direction of force used. Some machines it may increase the speed of work, also some machines it may change the direction of force. Okay, for example, if we want to cut a piece of cloth, okay, we use a scissor. If one want to fetch a water from a well, we use pulley. Okay, inclined plane used to lift heavy drums or a trap. Okay, so these are the example. Already I have explained what are this. Next we'll move on for energy. So what is mean by energy? Energy, the energy is ability or capability of the body to do work. Okay, energy is ability or capacity of the body to do work. Okay, so here energy is the ability or capacity of a body to do work. We need energy for everything which we do, such as lifting, pushing and pulling. Energy is present in different forms. Following are some of them. Here, whatever the work we want to do in a daily activity, whatever it is, we should get energy. Okay, that energy we are getting from a food. Okay, so what kind of energy we are using? For example, if you want to lift the things, or if you want to push it, or if you want to pull, okay, for everything we need energy. That energy we are using in a different forms. Okay, There are total 6 types of energy. First I will be explaining only 3 types of energy. So remaining I will be covering in the next class children. Okay. The first one is heat energy. Energy present in hot body, it is called as a heat energy. It is obtained by burning wool, fuel, coal, petrol, etc. For example, heat produced by a burning petrol in a car engine provide engine to run the car. For example, what is meant by heat energy? This energy is used by hot body. Okay, for example, without petrol the car it won't run, even two-wheeler also it won't run. Okay, when those object is getting heated up, okay, it will take a petrol, okay, it will take a fuel as a energy. Using that petrol, okay, it will run the car. Okay, so it will come under a heat energy. The heat energy is present in a hot body. Okay, we can take that the car engine is one of a hot body. Whenever it is getting heating up, it need energy. So this fuel it is giving a energy to move a car from one place to another place. Okay, so whenever you want to prepare a food, in the previous time there is no gas stove. Okay, you ask your grandmas and all, they will be using some wooden stick to prepare the food. Okay, what they will do, they will burn that wooden stick through that the fire it will come. Okay, using that heat the food it is going to prepare. Okay, now also people are using induction, right? So how because of the heat the food it is preparing. Okay, so it will come under a heat energy. And next one we are going to see wind energy. What is meant by wind energy? The energy processed by the wind is called as wind energy. The wind energy can be used for rotating of a blades of a windmill. The windmill can be used for running a flour mill or to grind the grains or moving turbines to generate the electricity. Okay, here you can able to see from the wind we can take the electricity. Okay, we will be using the windmills. Okay, from the wind, that wind whatever the energy forces we are getting from the wind, no, we can convert as a electricity. Okay, using this windmill we can able to run the flour mill to make a powder. For a rice flour we can make, wheat flour we can make. Okay, and also here we can able to see wind grains we can able to crush it. Also using this turbines we can generate electricity. So this it will come under the power of windmills to use the grains to generate the electricity. See, whenever it will be having the forces like this. Okay, so what it will do, it will be here, it will be circulating among itself. So it will be increasing the speed of a thing. Okay, it will be increasing the speed. Using that wind we can able to generate the electricity. Also we can able to move other objects also. Okay, for example flour mill, whenever you want to crush a rice or a dal, pulses, whatever it is, using that energy we can able to make a flow. And next one is a water energy. Water energy is moving water also has a lot of energy in it. Falling waters from a dam, it is used to rotate the turbines to generate the electricity. Electricity produced by the energy of a flowing water is called as a hydroelectricity. See, from water also we can able to take the electricity. So that it will come under a water energy. Water also have lots of energy. The falling waters from the dams, whatever the water it is going to fall, okay, it will rotate the turbines, it will be rotate the water flows. From there we will be getting the electricity. Okay, electricity produced by the energy of flowing water, it is called as a hydroelectricity. That is very important, children. If I will ask what is hydroelectricity, then everyone has to answer. You have to underline that. Okay, so next class I am going to discuss about remaining whatever it is present. Okay, until unless till wherever I have done the lesson, you have to go through the lesson, children. Or if you have any doubt, you can ask me a question in a interactive session. Okay, thank you, children. Have a nice day.